Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm here to talk to you today about the SolarSPELL. SolarSPELL is a solar-powered educational learning library, a digital library using an offline Wi-Fi hotspot designed to simulate an online experience. Making use of open educational resources and ever smaller and more efficient technology, SPELL provides an all-in-one, self-powered plug-in-to-learn kit, ready to be deployed with absolute minimal training or maintenance required for startup and continued operation. In many parts of the world, U.S. Peace Corps volunteers are expected to teach in remote locations with scarce resources. The SolarSPELL provides educational material through the distribution of ebooks and videos, eliminating the need for printing. Our clients use whatever books they have access to, which might mean they only have a high-level physics textbook. Also, paper books tend to get destroyed in the climate of Tonga. This project's goal is to support education in all subject areas and enable the development of internet-relevant skills by providing access to books, videos, and other valuable educational content through an offline digital library, including content specifically curated for the Pacific Islands. And now, to show you how it works. The SolarSPELL is run by the power generated by this solar panel. That then runs through a voltage regulator into this cell phone battery, which then powers the Raspberry Pi, which contains the SD card with the SolarSPELL server on it. 4.4 billion people worldwide do not have access to the internet. The Peace Corps volunteers who go out to these remote islands are responsible for teaching kids English and helping out in general. These volunteers also train local teachers to increase the quality of education. We have already distributed units throughout the Pacific, from Micronesia to Vanuatu. On a larger scale, there are about 7,000 active Peace Corps volunteers serving across the globe. The Peace Corps volunteers assist local teachers, such as Annabeth from Vanuatu, who has been using the SolarSPELL in her classroom for about a year now.
My name is Annabelle Frank. I'm from Efate, Vanuatu, and I'm 23 years old, and I'm just a temporary teacher teaching year 2 at Eredor School.
Tell us how you use the SolarSPELL.
Okay, sometimes when I'm in topic or anything to do with English or science, and then I usually take in and search in to find some topics that relate to the topic in class.
We bring educational tools to those who wouldn't have access to these resources otherwise. From these experiences, we've learned that not very many of our users have access to computers or power or the internet. This experience is what gives us an edge over our competitors, such as the Rachel Offline or the Library Box. One distinction between us and our competitors is that we curate our content so that it is relevant to local interests and traditions. Additionally, our SPELL is the only offline digital library on the market with a power supply built in, which is why you can see them already in use in places like Micronesia and Vanuatu. The Peace Corps volunteers who go out to these remote islands are responsible for teaching English and helping teachers manage their classrooms. Approximately 208 people are actively serving in the Pacific Island regions, and each may affect up to 40 kids. Our product completely disrupts the current effectiveness and quality of the classroom environment, giving the Peace Corps volunteers, teachers, and students the resources necessary to succeed. All of the members of our team are currently involved in education research and are passionate about learning. Now let's meet the team. My name is James Larson, an electrical systems engineering major.
My name is Miles Mabey. I'm a robotics engineering major.
My name is Paul Horton. I'm a software engineering and applied physics major.
My name is Tyree Pagan. I'm a software engineering major.
Our business model is nonprofit, as we want to get our solution to the islands that need it most. Currently, we are grant funded. In order to make the business self-sustaining, we are shifting to a business model where we sell them to bigger school districts or to government education departments. The initial $7,500 would be helpful for the trip to Tonga that we have planned for this winter break. We plan to build SPELL units with the local users, because videos, especially ones focusing on local people, are powerful communication tools with new users. Our milestone is to deliver 20 units to Tonga and to produce content about the SolarSPELL with local students. A $20,000 investment would allow us to distribute the spell to new locations such as Fiji, the Caribbean, and Africa.